welcome to another episode with my online diary. For today's video, we're gonna go again to a cafe, and this time I will be going with Zoe and Mary. So it's gonna be the three of us. So let's go.
Hi everyone, welcome to our podcast. This is called MMZ. Hey. Hi guys, welcome to MMZ's podcast. So first, let's try the pizza. Pizza to try or
Lalami.
I like it. Mm. Nag-pick sa mong food kay si Mish na indecisive pero always a good choice. Rating sa pizza.
Para ko, 10. Lalami.
Mm. Mm. For me, 8.5.
Nasa 8.5.
Mm.
Nandiyo sumpa mo.
Ikaw, rating.
Kuan. 9.5. It's high because lami manggod. Pero lami ang kuan. Pizza din.
Yeah, lami ra siya.
Recommendable.
Yeah. And then mas lami siya if like ang sauce sa chipotle, i-dip nimo ang pizza sa sauce sa chipotle. Perfect. Pwede namin ma-food critic guys. Yeah. Okay, time for the matcha. So I ordered hot matcha. Char, ui. Char lang. Wait, mix. Wala ko, dili na ni,
Instead of cold.
lately I'm into hot matcha. Amot lang. There's just something with hot matcha.
Yours.
Crazy. Sige, let's try.
Paulit ko malong.
Okay, so naka-remember na kung ano mas ganang kog hot matcha. So, if cold magud ang matcha, di kay nako like ma-appreciate ang flavor sa matcha. Pero if hot gani siya, like mas more on like mo focus magud ang
Kasi ang pagkatiba.
yeah, like ang deftness. Char lang. Pero bitaw ang flavor jud sa matcha like mas mo ibabaw jud siya when it's hot. Like us. Ay, char. Char na guys.
Kada sumpa mo. Pailagid ba? Dili, mag-order ba?
Bitaw. Ito joke naman yato for fun. Pero if maka-profit,
Right now. With my 17
Yeah.
subscribers.
yes, guys, i-share ninyo. Uy, ay mo pag selfish. Spread. Ay, char lang, guys. Spread the word. Char
Spread the
lang.
good news, guys.
Pero yes, kay good news jud na si Mish nag-vlog.
Good news is
Yeah,
guys.
kay you know what? We're so funny. We're like underrated kay me. Char lang, guys. Okay, sige.
sa isa. One by one.
On the way ni guys to pick up kay Mama Let to Taiwan. Ba
A
surprise.
day in the life in Taiwan.
Charot. Ano ba sa
Hindi na ako mag-shut up na ako.
Vietnam. Tara, pick up. Muna siya guys, pick up.
Kipis up.
Select na yung school.
Good things ahead. Heads up. Good things ahead. Go to pick up coffee. Not sponsored. English! Ang sila ni mo!